Hey friends, thanks for joining us here on Rockin' the Retired Life here at YouTube. You know, today I thought it was really important to share with you this new guitar that I recently got. See, I'm a guitar teacher and that's what I do with most of my time, but every now and then I have to travel. And when I travel, I don't like taking my Gibson Les Paul with me on the airplane or on the road. I like to keep it here at home. So I was looking for a really good, inexpensive travel guitar that would do the job for me when I'm on the road. And here's what I found. Bam! Isn't that cool? This is the Enya Nova Go SP1. It looks a lot like my Les Paul, but it's made out of really hardy material that I would venture to say probably holds up with any kind of weather conditions. I have tested this on the airplane. It fit inside of the airplane really nicely. I actually got on 3 different planes going to Nashville during this recent hurricane, and this little guy traveled with me the entire way. I was able to put it in the overhead bin. But let's take a look at all of the features of this cool little guitar. This video has been brought to you by allaboutguitaracademy.com. If somebody's told you that you're too old to play guitar or you can't play guitar because of this or that, whatever the reason is, be sure to go to allaboutguitaracademy.com. We will teach you how to play guitar in as little as 6 short weeks. You can get your free ebook there, allaboutguitaracademy.com. First of all, it's really easy to get. This is the only guitar I've ever got from Amazon.com. I'm going to put a link in the description too, so you can go to Amazon and grab one of these yourself if you're looking for a good travel guitar. It came with its own gig bag, and inside the gig bag, it actually has a strap, a guitar strap, and then it has lots of cool features. I've got an extra set of strings. I've got a charging cord to charge the guitar up because it does run on a battery on the inside of the guitar. You just plug in the charger right here into any wall outlet, or you can even plug it into your computer. And then it also has a jack here for a 1/4-inch jack that you can plug into an amplifier, for example. The strings on it are D'Addario strings, are really nice strings. It's made very well. I believe it's made in China. But the quality, in my opinion, is really good. And the sound, without even amplifying it, sounds like this. I'll play a little tune for you just so you can hear how good it sounds without even being plugged in or turned on. So to turn the sound on, all you have to do is press this button and hold it. It lights up with a green light here, and it already has some effects on it, which is really cool. So if I can turn the volume up there, and all right, and that gives kind of a chorus type of a sound. Then if I want to have a different effect, I just hit the button one time. See, it turns blue there. Let's see what it does now. It has a reverb effect, I believe is what that is. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. And we hit the button again. It turns kind of a turquoise color. See what that one does. All right, we've got some delay. I don't know if you could hear that, but I'll turn the knob up a little bit. It's got a really cool delay effect. So it's almost like having a delay pedal on the guitar. So if I hit the knob again, now we're on a purple color, and we'll turn up the volume a little bit, see what it sounds like. Kind of a flanger effect. Isn't that cool? All right, so we'll hit the button one more time, and we're back to green. So really cool little guitar. I've been playing on this thing now for over a month, And I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for a good travel guitar that's easy to carry around with you. It's very light. It's made out of some really good material here. I'll put in the description what this exactly is made out of, and all of the specs on it are in the description, as well as a link to pick this little guy up. But it's not a toy guitar, it's a real guitar, and I'm very impressed with it. So hey, thanks for tuning in today, Rocking the Retired Life. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and keep on playing guitars.